Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
The sage view of the world. The man who stands up to his neck in water has a twofold experience. His head is exposed to the sun. He experiences both heat and cold. Such is the experience of a liberated sage. He has double consciousness. He enjoys the bliss of Brahman but also has the experience of this world. He is like a man who knows two languages. Just as the part in which asafoetida or onion is kept emits a certain amount of smell even when it is cleaned several times, so also a small trace of ignorance still remains in the mind of a sage. The Jivan Mukta, liberated sage, has a consciousness of the body in the form of an impression in the subconscious mind. That is the reason why he eats and drinks. Though the instinctive mind with low desires is destroyed, the pure mind does not perish in the liberated sage. How will he be able to engage himself in worldly activity without an instrument, namely the mind? The phenomenal universe does not vanish from the vision of the liberated sage. He sees the world as a dream within himself. Just as the mirage appears even after the illusory nature of the water is understood, so also the world appears for a Jivan Mukta even after he has attained self realization, even after he has clearly understood the illusory nature of the world. But just as the man who has understood the nature of the mirage will not run after the mirage for drinking water, so also the sage who is liberated will not pursue sensual objects like the worldly minded people, though the world appears to him. That is the difference between a worldly man and a liberated sage. The Jivan Mukta beholds the one reality or God everywhere and in all things. For him, there is no distinction between a rogue and a saint, gold and stone, honor and dishonor. He actually feels that all is himself only, that snakes, scorpions, tigers, bears, and lions are as much part of himself as his own eyes, nose, ears, hands, and feet. He is one with the flower, sun, ether, ocean, mountain, and sky. He has cosmic vision and cosmic feelings.
Oh.